What is good, my guys and girls and crystal meth users? You guys are humans too, I think. My name is Justin Omoi, and today I'm here with another package from Phenyx Pro. No, not Amazon. Phenyx Pro. Another one. We got the bubbles for the double troubles, and here is the boots. I've done a wireless device like this on another product. I'll link it in the I button somewhere there. I thought this comes with a receiver, but I guess not. I guess the boy is getting cut. The boy's getting cut out. Oh, let me go ahead and give y'all a better angle. So let me go ahead and rip it off like it's Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. That's what I meant to say. Here's the thing, and then you pull it, and oh wait, hold on. I might be eating my own words because I do see a little box thing. Oh yeah, your boy ain't getting no check cut. Your boy's still in the game. They still love your boy. For those who are wondering, what is this thing? It's a UHF body pack transmitter. Yeah, I knew that all along. No, but what it is you know how some professional people like Linus Tech Tips and all them, they have this little thing wrapped around their body or their pants. This is for a lavalier mic. Lavalier, like this shit right here. That rhymed. So for this thing right here, so if you want to be an Indian tech scammer, here's your job, or this is your opportunity to own this little piece, and go ahead and tell people that your name is Michael Jason, and you work for Microsoft in Indiana. I'll go ahead and plug this in and show y'all later, but let's go ahead and open everything else. We got a manual. We got another one of these. So I did not show this in the other one with the USB mixer, but we had two of these, and this time we only got one. So it says, like it, ? Thank you for choosing Phenyx Pro. But if you encounter problems while using it, just let your boy know we got contacts and don't like it. And yeah, nobody don't like it. Speaking of which, don't dislike my video. Here's another lavalier mic. This time it doesn't have the tech scammers headset, so use straight batteries. We got a couple antennas for a little diverse radar. We have a 1/4 jack with a little adapter for 1/8, just in case you are using a computer without an audio interface. We have the AC adapter, not really that beautiful to look at. We have the Dvr box, just kidding, it's not DVR. It's a box here, as you see. And as our magical focus, there you go. It says PTU 71. Oh, this is nice. It has the I don't know, y'all can't hear that, but it has the snap and their clicky buttons, and the clicky buttons, and the snap. The power button needs work though. Sounds soft, but you can still hear a click, so that's cool. That's all we care about, the sounds. And speaking of sounds, the way to transduce the sound, we're going to use the microphone. Wireless microphone. Okay, phase 2 or phase 1 is out of the way. And it's only been 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and hook it up. Alright guys and girls, as you see right here is the device. And if you look at me, just turn this thing down, then turn it back up. You can see that this is the microphone that I'm using. It's here. Wireless. Let me know what you guys and girls think of the quality of the recording or of the sound of the microphone. Of course, this is not stuff that's used for studio recording, at least for professionalities. This is more of the people who need it for party stuff. Like, yo, what's up, guys and girls? It's your MC, Justin Omoi, right here. Today we got a lovely little lady getting sweet 16. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me why I'm talking like this. But yeah, this is how it sounds with this microphone here. Easy stuff. All you got to do is press the power button that you cannot see nicely because the focus is bad. But that gray thing, and it will turn on. And you see the word that says ANT right there. By the way, that's a plastic thing, no scrape on there. The ANT indicates antenna, meaning it's connected. And yeah, there you go. It shows the signal right there. Yeah, as you speak to indicate which microphone is being used, as well as if there is signal. in it. Now that I showed you this microphone, let's go ahead and jump into these little Dvr microphones. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a mute button. All you got to do is press the power button. So yeah, then there's also turning it off by holding the power button. Okay guys, as you hear right here, I am speaking with the Dvr microphone, and this thing is pretty sensitive. Like, you could get high as a plane with this, but having it at this level right here is good as well. Let me go ahead and show you myself. So you can see this microphone is pretty useful if you want to use, like show like that, hide it like that, and commentate if you want to commentate on gameplay or something. You're one of those little tournament people want to commentate, and you can keep this little thing right here in your little book bag and be straight, or in your pants pocket. So yeah, now that you see the sound quality of this one is pretty damn good. I'm using the tech support one, if you haven't noticed, by the way. There is also the clip-on one, but I'm sure it's the same quality. Let me go ahead and test how this sounds, or if you can hear me from a distance. Battery is going to die, so let me wrap this up. You can see this in the pocket right there, and I could easily just pick up this camera, as I did right here, and we can move around, and kitty on the floor. So you can see I'm walking. I don't know how long of a distance it is, so I'm just going to keep talking until you cannot hear me. When you cannot hear me, that is when, the audio is messed up. So as you see, maybe I'm talking to myself right now. I'm not sure. If so, then I'll put on this microphone here, and yeah, you'll see the text description. If anything, kitty, where you went? Kitty. Everyone loves kitties. But all right, let me go back to the room. I think this was a good enough test for you guys and girls. So yeah. But all right, guys and girls, this has been a demonstration, a showing of you guys and girls of the Phenyx Pro's wireless system right here. As you see, I still got the Dvr microphone on. Thank you guys and girls for watching. Let me know what y'all think, and if you are interested in this, the link is in the comment section. It's in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. And yeah, my name is Justin Omoi, and with that being said, peace. I'll see y'all on the next one. By the way, I am covering the antenna for this, so boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom. Yeah, you can see the quality is still caught. I'm out.